Hold on, I'm almost there. Just a little bit more. There. Hello there. We're about to witness something very special, something you don't see every day. This is the best place to watch without getting in the way. You're probably curious by now, so I'll tell you. Come. Look down. Can you see? There's a nest there. This is a nest built by a bird. The bird has laid 3 eggs in it, and at any moment now, the eggs will hatch and little chicks will emerge from them. Isn't this exciting? There! Did you see that? It's starting! Soon, a chick will hatch out of this egg. Hold on. Someone's missing. Where's the mother bird? What if the chick comes out while she's not here? No, wait a minute. Stay inside the egg until your mother comes back. Oh, too late. There's the little chick. This is so exciting. Ooh. Ooh. Hello there, dear little chick. Welcome to this world.
Are you my mother?
Who, me? Oh, no, I'm a snail. Your mother's a bird.
Oh, pardon me. Couldn't see. I can't see anything yet. I'll only begin to be able to see things in a few days.
Why are you chirping like that, might I ask?
Because I'm hungry. That's how I let my mother know that I'm hungry and that she should feed me.
Yes, your mother should be here soon. But meanwhile, maybe you could tell me how you got out of the egg.
I bashed my forehead against the eggshell until it cracked, and I came out.
Well done.
Oh, how lovely. The first one has hatched. Hello, my chick. Yes, of course. Here's your food.
See? The mother's arrived. She just went to gather food for her little chick. Hello, Madam Bird. Congratulations. You must be very excited.
Oh, yes, thanks.
What's going to be happening with your chick in the next few days?
He'll eat and grow and get stronger.
And then?
And then I'll teach him how to fly. I'll teach him how to fend for himself and tell him everything he needs to know.
What was that?
Those were his brothers. They've also started to crack their eggshells, and soon they'll hatch too.
Okay. Soon it'll be very crowded here, so it would be better if I left the nest now. Farewell, Madam Bird. Farewell, chick. Send my regards to your brothers. See ya.
Bye-bye. Come again.
Bye-bye.
Now, wasn't that amazing? It was worth it to climb all the way up here to get to see that. Only, I don't know how to get down from here. I suppose very carefully. That's right, carefully. So goodbye for now, and to you at home too. Farewell, see you next time.